Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will learn about the fields in Salesforce. What are the fields and how we can create a custom field. So let me first tell you what are the fields in Salesforce. So with the fields in Salesforce we can understand that it is a column within an object that stores data. For example, if the field is an email field, it will only take the input as a email. You can't enter any numeric digits in an email field. So there are various types of fields like text, number, email, picklist, multi-select, date time, and many more. And we can create the fields with the available data type for the custom and standard object in Salesforce. So let's move ahead and see the process how we can create a custom field in Salesforce. And before going to that, I would like to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show you the course content, then we will continue to the topic. So this is the Salesforce admin course and we have posted it on our website, and I will also post the link for this course in the description from where you can access this course. So these are the modules that we have covered in this course. So it's a beginner to advanced level Salesforce course, and there are 9 plus modules and 20 plus hours HD video, and you will also get the PDFs and the certification after the completion. And also there is an offer for 50% discount for the early birds. So these are the modules and the contents that you are going to get in this course. And if you subscribe this course right now, you have to pay only $99 instead of $199. So even if you are a beginner, then you will understand each and everything in this course. And to get this course, you can redirect to our website, and from there you can subscribe to this course. So now let's move back to. So as of now, I have logged into my Salesforce developer account, and right now I am on the setup page of Lightning. And from here, we have to navigate to the object manager to create a field. And before that, I would like to show you how a field appears so that you will have an idea what it looks like and what exactly we call fields in an object. So I will navigate to the opportunities tab, and here you can see this opportunity name, account name, type. These are the fields. So here we can say that opportunity name is a text field, and the type field is a pick list field, and probability is a number field. So this is how we use fields for the custom and standard objects to store the data of that particular field type. So now we will go back to the setup page, and from here we will go to the object manager to create a new field. So in the object manager, you will see a list of custom and standard objects. So I'm going to show you how you can create a field in the account object, and the same process should be followed to create field in any standard or custom object. And even if you are using the classic version, the process will be same for that also. So here I will click on the account object, and to create a fields, we have to click on first fields and relationships. And here you can see these are the standard fields, and in between them you can also see some custom fields that I have created earlier. For example, this activation time C. So whenever you create a custom field, it will take underscore C as a API name, and we can also change it according to our requirement, like what API name that we have to give it. So to create a new field, we have to click on here new button, and as you can see, these are the field types available in the org to create a field. So for these are the auto number, formula, roll up summary, and so and so. So in this example, I am going to create a text field. So I will select the radio button text and then click on next button. And here in this window, I have to enter the required details to create a field. So here I am going to enter the field label as customer details. And here the length field will decide what would be the maximum length for this text field. For example, I have selected 50. So when a user will enter this field, it should not exceed the limit of 50 characters. And here you can write the description of the text field and also the help text. And to make this field require, you can also activate this require checkbox. So with this, whenever I will create an account record, it is required to enter this field that I'm creating right now, that is customer details. And to make this field unique, you can also activate the unique checkbox, and this setting will prevent the same value from being used in multiple record for any specific field. Checkbox field is external ID. So this external ID hold unique identifiers for external system, like for making this field accessible to the third party applications. You can activate this external ID checkbox field also. And in the default value field, you can also enter a default text that will appear as a default for this text field. And after entering the fields, click on the next button. And here you can see in this step we have to establish the field level security for this field, and you can see this is the list of profile, and as of now this field is visible to all the profiles because all of the profiles are selected. In case you want to make this field available for admin only, then you can simply select the profile with system administrator, and after selecting the profiles, click on the next button, and in this step make sure that all the check boxes are selected, so this will be only be visible on the page layouts that are selected. And at last click on the save button. So as we click on the save button, the custom field customer details will be created. This is the text field that we have created right now. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, that we can also change the data type of this field. For example, you can change this text field to the long text field, but there are some criteria and limitations to change the data type of the field. For example, you can't change a text field to a numeric field or a picklist multi-select field. To change the data type, we have to simply click on the edit button, and here we have to click on the button change field type, and from here I will select the other option, text area long, and then click on next button. And in the long text area there is also one more field, visible lines. So here I will make the visible line as 6. So by making the visible lines as 6, we can ensure that when this text field will be displayed on the page layout, it will only show the 6 lines. For example, someone have entered this text field as long as 10 lines, then also it will only show the 6 lines. And after this we have to click on the next button. So here for the long text area, the length must be greater than 255. So here I am selecting it as a 300, and after this click on the next. So here I would also like to tell you about the field level security in the fields. So what field level security we means, that you can see these are the list of profiles, and for example you want to make this field available for the admin only, so you can uncheck the fields from this visible checkbox, and from here you can only activate the checkbox of system administrator. So with this setting, this field won't be available to rest of the profiles that we are having in the org. So after setting the field level security, click on the save button. So this is how we can create a custom field in Salesforce Lightning. And also let me show you that how this field will appear on the page layout. So we have created this field on the account object. So from the app launcher, I will navigate to the account object, and in the accounts, I would show from the existing account records. So the field that we have created right now is labeled as customer details. So this is the custom text field that we later change it to the long text field, customer details. So this is how it appears on the page layout. So this was all about creating custom fields in Salesforce Lightning. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.